Hi guys, if you're having a trouble in switching on the laptop, so it's a Lenovo iPad 360 IKB laptop. So I've been having an issue over here in the power button. So if I try pressing the power button, it's not turning on. So I found a way to turn on the laptop. It's we can turn on it by pressing the Nova button. So it's on the left side of the laptop. So so you just have to take a pin and reset it over here. So you can see there's a light on, turn on the laptop. Yeah. So here you get a Nova button menu. So here I'm gonna select a normal setup, normal startup. So just press enter. Yeah, you can see the power turned on my laptop.